Hello everyone, welcome to Next Cart Tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to migrate your store data from Shopware to WooCommerce. The process is straightforward once broken down. On the screen, you'll notice two main sections, the source cart and the target cart. The source cart represents your current platform, which in this case is Shopware, and the target cart is where your data will be transferred to, WooCommerce. As you can see here, both the source cart and target cart require two similar things, the URL store and the Kit Connect folder. At first, I need to fill in the Shopware store URL. I will navigate to the Shopware tab. I'm already in the Shopware dashboard now. I move the cursor to the lower left corner. In Sale Channels, I'll click the eye icon next to Shopware Demo to open the storefront. I will copy this link, then head back to the Next Cart tab and paste it right here into the Source Store URL field. Once it's done, I will do the same with WooCommerce. I move to the WooCommerce Dashboard tab. At the top left corner, you will see the Demo Store. Just click it, and the link we want will appear immediately. Copy it. I paste it in here. Next, I'll need the Kit Connect folder for both platforms. This is a special connection tool that helps synchronize your data securely between the two platforms. If you haven't connected the Kit Connect folder with Shopware, you'll see an error when clicking to check the Kit Connect URL link. The red notification will be shown as No Route Found or HTTP 404 like this. And with WooCommerce, it will also show a similar message, Page Not Found, like this. Okay, let's come back to the Next Cart tab. You click right here to download it automatically. Once it's done, you will see the zip folder located at the top right corner. I click Show in Folder. This is the Zip Kit Connect folder I'm talking to. All I have to do is click on Extract All to unzip the folder. You can see here, this is the Kit Connect folder. There are two files inside like this. Now, I need to upload this Kit Connect folder to FileZilla or cPanel to transfer files from your computer to the server, ensuring updates are applied live. You can download a free FileZilla from Google. As you can see, I've already got it installed, and this is what the interface looks like. Because I use different shop addresses for Shopware and WooCommerce, I open two separate tabs in FileZilla here. This one's for Shopware, and that one's for WooCommerce. I will enter into the Shopware folder first. Because Shopware is set up to use the public directory as its root, I need to upload the Kit Connect folder into the public directory. Now, all I have to do is drag your unzipped Kit Connect folder, which contains two files inside, to the right panel. Once the transfer is complete, FileZilla will let you know. You'll either see a File Transfer Successful notification at the bottom of the screen. At the same time, you also see the Kit Connect folder added here. To check if Kit Connect has successfully connected to your web store, just click on the blue Kit Connect URL link. If it's successful, you'll see this message confirming that the connection has been successfully installed. I will do the same process with WooCommerce. Because I've already installed the Kit Connect folder, I will go back to FileZilla again. At this point, I open the WooCommerce directory and drag the folder into the right panel like this. It will show a notification, and the folder will appear similar to what we had in Shopware. I will go back and click this blue Kit Connect URL to check. Yes, the green success checkmark appears, just like the notification in Shopware as well. Everything's all set now. I click on Next Step to move on to the configuration part of the migration. Now you're on the configuration screen. Under Entity Selection, you'll choose the types of data you want to migrate. You can check individual boxes like products or orders, but since I want to transfer everything, I'm just going to click Select All. Since this is just a demo, you can't select the reviews and coupons. Under the Additional Options, I pick three options as Clear data on your target store before the migration, Import descriptions images to your target store, and migrate SEO URLs of categories, products, posts, and pages. For the Advanced Attributes Mapping section, I will set product price type as net price and order tax status to tax included. You can configure the tax status to whatever option suits your store. It doesn't need to match the one I've set here. Now, moving to order payment status mapping, I will map them as open change to processing. Paid is mapped to completed. Paid partially will be to processing. Reminded gets mapped correctly to its status, pending payment. The refund doesn't change. The same goes for refund partially. In progress is switched to processing. Failed stays the same. Authorized is set to processing. Chargeback changed to refunded. And finally, in unconfirmed, it will be mapped to canceled. With that done, just click Next Step to move on to the final part of the migration. And just like that, once the migration is complete, you'll see this notification that covers all the steps for migrating your data from Shopware to WooCommerce by using NextCart. Okay, now let's switch over to WooCommerce and check if the data has been migrated correctly. I will check products first. Yes, all products are here. Nothing is missing or messed up. The customers is normal and displayed full information here. Here, you can click on the username to jump to the user tab. You can also check customer accounts here and see that customer accounts are actually WordPress users with the role customer. Alright, I'm going to check the orders next to see if my order has been migrated over here. Yup, it's here. The migration worked. And as you can see, the status is also showing correctly, exactly the one I wanted. It also matches the total amount we saw earlier in the customer section. Yup, all categories got migrated. The whole category structure's kept intact, everything carried over perfectly. I hope this video has helped you easily migrate your data between these two platforms. If you're happy with the demo, you can go ahead and buy the Pro version. You click Purchase Now, then choose the entity limit you want. Next, the Customer Password plugin option. This one's completely free, and you can enable it if you'd like your customers to log into the new store using their existing passwords without resetting them. Right below, you'll see the VIP service add-on with 3 options displayed on the screen. With these options, our technicians will customize and execute the migration process based on your specific requirements. After making the selection done, hit on Buy It Now. Besides, if you're having any issues or have questions, just submit a help desk ticket. Enter your frequently used email in Requester, the subject, and the content of your question. Then attach a file as a screenshot instead and hit Submit. Our technicians will receive the information, assist and sort out any issues you might have. Feel free to open a ticket anytime. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!